When I started this metal company, I knew it would become a success. So that's why I named it Better Metals.
Well, what do you want to make? Because
This is the CEO speaking. How may I help?
If you want me to invest in your metal company, I need to see your financials. Can't make any decisions until I see those financials.
That sounds good to me. Someone get our stats and business plan.
well, we don't have any.
What do you mean you don't have any?
You never told us to make one.
I just looked at metal manufacturing places and this place called Eagle Metals popped up.
So?
You can go there and learn what to do.
How would I even work?
With these?
Come on, Lexi, call an Uber.
Excuse me, are you guys lost?
No, we've been working here for a while.
Like what do you do in here?
Oh, I'm the director of quality, and what we do here is test materials, make sure they meet our customers' requirements.
Oh, where do you see your grain structures?
Our grain structure, we use our microscope right here. We have size charts that shows you, based on what you're seeing there, determining what the size, a 9, 9.5, or a 10.
And basically what I do is I draw up prints, write programs, and create items. So currently what I'm working on right now is taking this block of aluminum right now and just making this hole bigger.
What do you do for your employees that like really helps them out with like the work business?
As far as what we do for employees, we try to provide them with a good workspace, right? And have clearly defined procedures and responsibilities, and we give them ability to grow and progress in their positions.
These guys were just that good.
So what's so cool about manufacturing?
Eagle Metals!